Alright, so I found that I do have one 220 microfarad 16 volt cap. Needs 2 or 3 or something, so I will have to make an order, but we can put the new cap in there and see. I also have a 10K resistor to replace the one that's broken in half. Got the soldering cap out. I do not like desoldering with braid or those little sucker things because it's a pain in the ass, so I bought this thing. It's pretty awesome. I would recommend getting one if you do this work all the time. Having to set it up and then take it out every time you're done with it kind of sucks ass. So this is the first repair I've done since I moved into this place. Just came from San Diego. Had more space, so I'll have to try to figure something out. But for now, whatever, this is what we got. So I'm going to spray a little acetone on this guy, that bad spot, and then see if we can solder the new one in, and we'll give it a shot. If I could find this on here, so we're going to spritz a little bit just to get the electrolyte off of there. Let's see, where is the freaking, what am I doing? Alright, so here we go. Sorry about the shaky cam. Again, first time doing this, so forgive. Alright, so we're going to go like this. A little more. We get our desoldering machine right here. And it's not in frame. There it is. It's in frame-ish. Put it on there. Wiggle. Beautiful. Put it on there. Wiggle. Alright. So, there's that. Cap should hopefully come out now. There we go. So, look at this. Where is it? This is difficult. That trace looks kind of like crap, so see if we can clean it up a little bit more. I don't know if solder can actually stick to that damn thing. We'll see. Yeah, it's shining up a little bit. I have to use a lot of flux, I guess. Alright, well, let's try it. So it shows us cap orientation right there. I checked it earlier, and it is actually correct. So, go like this. I'm using Nichicon PM caps, or PW, I don't remember. I like them though. They seem to work really well, and good price, blah blah blah. So I'm probably gonna catch my house on fire, having all this crap run off an extension cord. But we'll see, you get to watch that in a video too, that'll be a blast. Alright, so there's our little points. We're gonna solder. I'm gonna goop the shit out of it with flux, because this thing is gross. Now, soldering one-handed, I don't know how that's gonna work. We're gonna try it. If it sucks, then maybe you won't get to see it. We do need to make some kind of a stand eventually, so it's ridiculous. Okay, can you see? Yeah, I guess you can kind of see. That's not really sticking. No. There's no intentions of sticking, so stand by.